how to set a path in Java. And what is a path first? A path is required to set for using the tools such as the Java C and Java. Java C is used for compiling your program, and Java is used for running your program. If you are saving your Java source into any of file inside of JDK and slash bin, then path is not required. But that's not generally the case. You have some folder structured in which you are going to define your classes. You are creating some of classes, some of packages, and now you are trying to run the things. And when you hit like Java C and your class name, you get error like Java C is not an internal external command, and that is the reason we need to set a path from the reason is like we can use anywhere inside for executing our application. Okay, there is a two-way of setting a path in a Java. First is a temporary and second is a permanent. Okay, let's see how we can set a temporary path. To set up a temporary path of a JDK, you need to follow the steps. Like first, you need to open the command prompt, then copy the JDK or bin directory where your Java is installed. And in a command prompt, you need to set a path is equal to and your copied path. Let's try that. Okay. Here I have a command prompt open, and my JDK is installed under the C programming files Java, and I installed the latest version, which is the Java 1.8. Okay, so the thing you need to write is like a set path is equal to and whatever the path you have, and you just need to enter, and your path is going to be set, and you can now onward you can compile and execute your program by using a Java C and Java. Okay. Second way is like a permanent path setting. What is the difference between temporary and a permanent path setting? A temporary path setting is like when until and unless command prompt is open, the path is there, and once you close that command prompt and open a new command prompt, then you don't have reference to that Java C. You need to reset that path. Like you need to again that execute that set path and whatever the path location, you need to rewrite that code line of code, right? But if you set it permanently, then you don't need to go and repeat that step again and again whenever you restart your computer or whenever you restart your command prompt like that. And the step is like you need to go my computer property, then in advanced tab, you have environment variable. In environment variable have to use a user variable and write a path name. Let's see how we can do that. Okay, here I have my path setup in Java programming file and Java and JDK 1.8. So it's my computer. Just right click on this, then go to a property. Okay, in a property tab on the left hand side we have an advanced system settings, right? Just click on that. You have one pop-up. In this pop-up in advanced tab we have environment variables. So just click on that environment variable. Now in a user variable and in a system variable, the difference is like if you want to set a Java path for specific user, then you can create that path variable here. If you want to allow the all user of computers, then you can create in a system variable. I already created the thing in a system variable. Let's try to create in a user variable as well. Just click on a new button. The variable name is java underscore home. That basic generally people are used to create it, and just need to copy that file path, right? And just need to click on OK. Once you click on OK, just click it again, OK, and OK. Yeah. Now, whenever you write any command prompt, and that code will be executing, like Java C and Java is going to help you to compile and execute your program. These are the way to set the path in a Windows system. If you have a Linux or Mac machine, then there's a bit difference to set a path. Like as how to To set a path in a Linux machine or Mac machine, the big difference is like you need to do rather than a set a path, you need to export a path and develop path and whatever your path location where Java is installed. Yeah,